me a god. They call me a god.
What's up mga ka-Exorize? This is Papa Sep TV and for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung paano nga ba mag-open account kay GoTime Bank. No? So yun ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo para mukhang pro. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. So, yun nga guys, nandito na tayo sa Play Store at i-download na natin si GoTime Bank. No? So, kung nakikita nyo guys, na-type ko na and click open nyo lang si GoTime Bank. At syempre guys, magpapakita na tong logo ni GoTime Bank at antayin lang natin. So, magpapakita na to guys, no? So, click allow nyo lang. Pag na-click allow nyo lang guys, eto na, interest rate on your savings. No? So may 5% ka pag nag-save ka kay GoTime Bank and click open account nyo lang. Kung may account na kayo is click login. So tayo guys is, open account tayo na kasi gagawa tayo ng account kay GoTime Bank. At may step by step dito guys. No? So ang tanong dito is, are you a Filipino citizen? Siyempre, click yes lang natin. And next question is, are you a US citizen, resident, or green card holder? O, click no nyo lang kasi hindi naman tayo yan. And after nyan is click next lang. After nyan guys is i-click nyo lang tong circle na tong dalawa. At kapag na-check nyo na yung circle na dalawa is click continue nyo lang. And after nyan guys is enter your mobile number, no? So, kapag na-enter niyo yung mobile number is magbe-verify kayo with OTP PIN. So, click verify with OTP. At antayin niyo na dito yung OTP PIN nyo, guys, no? So, antayin lang mag-text. At enter nyo nga dito yung 6-digit PIN, no? So, after nyan, guys, kapag na-enter nyo na is ilalagay nyo naman yung email address nyo, no? So, kapag nalagay nyo na yung email address nyo, click next nyo lang. And after nyan guys is time to take a selfie, no? So, magsi-selfie tayo. Click next nyo lang yan. And some good lighting, kailangan daw guys is maliwanag. And click next nyo lang. And kapag nag-selfie kayo guys is hindi nyo kailangan ngumiti or mag-smile, no? So, click natin tong take a selfie. And click natin tong guys yung while using the app, no? So, click lang natin yan kasi lumabas na. O, tapos na nga tayo mag-selfie guys, no? Selfie nakalagay dito is selfie verified. Next, we scan your ID, no? So, mag-ipapascan tayo ng government ID natin. At nakalagay dito is all and info must be nabubulol na ako. Reliable, no? So, yun na yun. Basta click next nyo lang. And follow the instruction, no guys, no? Kung ano yung nakalagay dun sa scan. So, scan ID lang natin. Click natin to sa baba. At magse-select tayo dito na ID na available natin, no? So, ang pinili ko dyan, guys, is si UMID ID. Kasi yun meron ako, no? So, click natin tong si UMID ID. And eto na nga guys, nang mag-i-scan na tayo. Position the front of your ID inside the frame, no? So, nabat nasa loob and make sure the info and are clear, no? So, dapat visible yung mga information sa ID natin. At yan na nga guys, no? Nakapag-scan na tayo ng ID. Is your ID info reliable? So, yes, click natin. So, yung yes, upload the ID scan, no? So, click lang natin yan. So, after ng yes, guys, is upload the encrypted ID scan, no? So, uploaded na siya, guys. Antayin lang natin. At eto na nga, guys, no? ID uploaded, just a few steps to go, no? So, nag-check na siya, guys. And after nyan, guys, is ilalagay lang natin yung place of birth, no? Sa baba, lagay natin yung place of birth natin. And after nyan guys, after malagay yung place of birth is click next nyo lang. And enter your home address. No? So nakalagay naman dyan yung house or number ng bahay nyo and municipal or province or barangay. After nyo ma-fill up yan guys is click continue nyo lang. And then the industry in work no. So saan daw kayo nag-work no. So ang pinili ko dyan guys is self-employed no. Yung nasa baba. And sunod is tell us about what you do, no? So, nakalagay dito is occupation. Ang clinic ko lang dyan, guys, is online seller. Yung, tinype ko lang dyan, no? So, after nyan, guys, is click next nyo lang. So, sabi dito is select your main source of funds, no? So, ang pinili ko dyan, guys, is yung savings, no? And after nyan is mag-create kayo, guys, ng username, no? So, nilagay ko dyan is Papasep TV yung username ko, no? So, after malagyan yung username, guys, is click next nyo lang. And dito mga guys, is mag-create tayo ng 6-digit na PIN number, no? So, yung passcode nyo, no? So, 2 ulit yan gagawin nyo para mailagay yung new passcode nyo, no? So, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung passcode nyo, guys, kasi yun din yung magiging magiging password sa ATM ng GoTime kapag may na kayo ATM card kay GoTime Bank, no? So, confirm your passcode lang nalagay dito, no? So, nilagay ko na din yung PIN number ko. So, nakalagay dito is your GoTime account comes with Go Rewards, no? So, maraming rewards si GoTime Bank. So, earn up to 3 times Go Reward points, no? So, redeem your points as a cash. So, got it lang natin. Your account is ready to go, no? So, successful yung pag-create natin ng account kay GoTime Bank, no? So, click login lang natin, guys. Magla-login tayo kay GoTime Bank. And magpapakita to, guys, no? So, click yes, enable lang natin. At nandito na nga, guys, no? So, ready when you are. Papasep, no? So, yun yung nakalagay natin. And, mag-enter na nga tayo, guys, ng passcode natin, no? Yung PIN number natin na 6-digit PIN, no? So, enter natin para makapasok tayo kay GoTime Bank. So, click ka lang tong, open settings, no? So, madali lang yan. So, yun nakalagay niya dito is your daily banking needs in one button, no? So, click natin tong pinakababa na circle. At nandito na nga tayo sa dashboard ni GoTime Bank, no? So, napakadali lang mag-open account kay GoTime Bank na, guys, no? So, valid ID lang and selfie lang and konting information at makakakuha ka na ng account kay GoTime Bank, no? So, yung ICIs, no? So, makikita nyo na hide din siya, no? So, click nyo lang yung parang mata na yan is mag-hide na siya. At nag-email na nga si GoTime Bank, no, guys. So, check natin yung email niya. Email ni GoTime Bank sa account natin, sa email address natin. At eto na nga, guys, no, sabi dito is your email address has been verified, no. So, approve na, guys, yung account natin. Approve na, no. So, your GoTime Bank profile email has been uploaded. You can now close this window, no? So, sarado na natin. At balik tayo sa dashboard, guys, no? So, nakalagay naman dito is yung debit card nyo is pwede nyo naman yan makita yung card number nyo is kiklik nyo lang yung pilik mata na yan, no? Para makita nyo yung card number nyo at yung expiration na din and yung CBB na number, yung 3-digit, no? So, ipapakita niya naman yan. Basta i-click nyo lang yung pilik mata na sinasabi ko. At hanggang dito na lang, guys, no? So, kung may natutunan kayo, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.